guess what? We are driving the Suburban. Yeah. So, we got a new motor put in, a new used motor, and we're gonna go test a few things out because we're gonna take it to Moab soon. But look, there's our new truck. You'll see it here in just a minute. We're gonna put it up against the Suburban. It's actually bigger than the Suburban. But stay tuned. We're gonna take it up to the hills real quick. We're gonna climb a couple rocks, show some flags, test it out because my front is not locked up. So the old axle was locked up, but we had a Dana 44 on it and it was locked up and it just wasn't very good as far as it had a Detroit locker in it, spring-loaded locker, I believe, some sorts, but it was welded. Don't weld the front end like that. It screws it up and it made it unusable because it kept breaking my U-joints in the front axle. So anyways, now we've got a Dana 60 sitting under the front of it, but it's not locked up. So we're gonna go down to Moab. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna tow it down there, and we're just gonna go have some fun. So stay tuned because soon, here in the next couple weeks, we're gonna have a video of us, hopefully having some fun down in Moab. But we're gonna go test it out and just see what it'll do. I've already tested it out a little bit with this axle, but we're gonna just wait. Just stay tuned. All right, we are here, but we've got to lock in the hubs. Yeah, that's right. It's got hubs. It has hubs. Oh, look at the new truck. That is going to be hauling the Suburban to places we need to go. Yeah, that's right. But let's lock in the hubs here real quick. Let me show you guys how to do this. This is how you do it. You just twist. That's it. That's all you do. You just twist it. Okay, now we're gonna set up the camera. We're gonna have them film, and we're gonna try to climb some rocks just for fun, just to see what we can do. It's a pretty big rock. We're gonna try to climb this, see how we can do it. Looks like some other people have tried doing it since I've been here last, and it looks like they didn't do a very good job. They peeled out, couldn't do it. We're gonna see what we can do though.
like it's gonna break.
Oh, look.
What if that just snaps?
Is it filming? All right, check it out. So this is why we wanted to come up here. I wanted to show you guys the flex this thing has. Now I got some issues with oh shit, it pulled out my frame bumper, so I need to fix this. This is where my this is where my issue is right there. Look at that, my frame, it just pulled it right out of the body. I gotta get some new body mounts, but you can see right here we've got some extension, but it pulled the body mount right out of the frame there, so hopefully it didn't ruin anything else. But I wish you guys could see how big that rock is. It's pretty big. It ain't tiny. So that's pretty impressive, folks. I don't have it locked up, but wow, it's gonna ruin my fender. Oh, that tire is stuffed. All right, I'm gonna go get it off of there. We're gonna get a couple reels though first. Folks, here's some reference. So basically this is the size of the rock that we were just on. That's the rock right there. It's literally, I mean, it's up almost to the hood of the Suburban. That's right. So anyways, check this out, peep the video. We're taking this to Moab. I'm excited, so stick around and hold on and just be patient because some good videos are coming. Folks, there we go. There's our new truck that we have to pull the Suburban. This is why we wanted the truck, so we can haul the Suburban places where we can go have a lot of fun. There's a lot of places around here that are fun and we can drive the Suburban, but it ain't cost effective one bit to drive that thing places. So we're gonna drive this. So we're gonna have this pulling this. And hopefully we're gonna get a trailer one of these days big enough that we will be able to haul this and the Jeep. So anyways, stick around, stay tuned, subscribe, go down, get you some bucked up, Amazon, whatever, LED bulbs. You gotta get those LED bulbs. But we're gonna leave you right here with this beautiful sunset. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way